Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. I've got another subscription box unboxing for you. I can't quite believe it. They're coming left, right and centre at the moment. But today's, ladies and gentlemen, is Birchbox. January Birchbox. I know I've just unboxed my December one, but this has arrived in the post, so let's get straight into it. I'm gonna open it up. There we go. And let's see what we've got. Are you ready? Ooh. Oh, now then, that's a bit of a different design, isn't it? Oh, really nice. I like that. And it's got Rochelle Humes on the top, so it must be in collaboration with Rochelle Humes this month. And like the one that my sister got me for Christmas, it's a drawer. I like that. I really do like that. If we get more of them, I can literally stack them on top of each other and make a little chest of drawers for all my skincare products. So I really like that design. And as usual, we have a little card. And on the front it says, just the way you are, this January, all month long, we'll be celebrating your individuality, the little quirks and wonderful imperfections that make you you. And we couldn't think of anyone better to share this mission with than Rochelle Humes, a natural beauty champion who believes that you're great just the way you are. Inside, we've handed over to Rochelle to introduce you to the box. So I do know that inside it tells you all about the products and the value. So I will be referring to this as we go along. And your February sneak peek. Ooh, it's a Bloom Botanic Beauty, that's the brand, Bloom Blush. It'll be a full-size product and we'll get either Darling Dahlia or Pink Freesia. And I'll just show you that. There you go. So that's the sneak peek for next month's box. Obviously, you do with Birchbox receive an email and they tell you to make your decision and you go on and choose, and that's the one you get. So let me just hold this up for you so you can see kind of what we've got in there. Let's go through. Let's see what we've got this month. Okay, so the first item, this is really cute packaging. The first item is the Beautycraft Glo Milk, and I chose the shade Just Dew It. But look at that packaging, isn't that super cute? A little milk carton. 100% cruelty free, no mineral oils, no phthalates, no parabens. It's vegan, hypoallergenic, and nourished with coconut and argan oil. I'm just seeing if I can figure out how to get into it. I'm going to open it from the bottom. It actually doesn't feel like there's anything in there, but I'm pretty sure there will be. And this is RRP of this is £15, and it's a highlighter to give you a dreamy glow. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, how diddy is that? How diddy is that? That is so cute. Let's have a look. Let's see if we can. Oh, now then, it feels like it might be. It's got a pipette in it. Personally, I'm not the biggest fan of liquid highlighters, so do you know what? I might just pop that back in its box. I'm not going to swatch it or anything, but it is the lightest shade of the three that we could have chosen from. So I assume the full size version of that is £15. So I'm not quite sure how much this little sample would retail for. Does it tell me how big it is? It's 5 mils. So I could always have a look online and figure that out. But that's the first item in the box, is the Beautycraft Glo Milk. Next item in the box is by a company called Green Frog Botanic. Formula with 85% natural ingredients, and it's a natural body lotion, sweet argan. Dermatologically tested again, cruelty-free, vegan formula. Apply liberally to body areas for softer and soothed skin. And let's have a look. And again, this is obviously a 50ml tester size or deluxe mini size. And the RRP of this for what looks like a 500ml bottle is £9.95. So at 50ml, a tenth of the size, you've got to say this is worth maybe about £1. Let's have a sniff and a smell. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice and gentle. It sort of reminds me a little bit of almond and honey cleansing milk or body milk that you can get. So that's really nice. That'll be handy for travelling. And oh, brilliant. Oh, I can't believe this. Literally yesterday, I very nearly bought this. It's the Ico London Black Magic Mascara. This is a travel size and it is worth £10. Let's have a look. I like the fact it's in a squidgy tube. That's a bit of a different style of packaging. Ooh, and look at the brush. It's like, it's sort of like it's like a banana shape. That's really interesting. Oh, I'm excited to try that, and I can't believe I very nearly bought a gift set that had been reduced on, I can't remember what website, whether it was Look Fantastic or Feel Unique or something, but there was a Christmas gift that had got this in, and I think it had got another of the eyeliners in, and it had been reduced. And I thought, well, I'm actually quite liking using the Ico London eyeliner. So I thought, oh, to get the little sort of 4ml tester size of the mascara would be really nice. So I'm really chuffed that's in there. Fantastic. That's brilliant. So like I say, yeah, pretty good. Now then, what's this? Malucine. Oh, it's a Jade Roller. Oh, this is a full-size product and it's worth £15.50. Let's have a look. Okay. God, it's quite heavy. Right. Okay. Now, I must admit, I'd sort of been looking at these and wondering what all the fuss was about. What are you meant to do with them? So I'm just going to read what it says, just in case. Like me, I mean, that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Beautiful little roller there. Yeah, in case you're a bit like me and you're a bit confused as to what's all the hype about sort of quartz or crystal rollers at the moment, let's have a quick read. So it says this Jade Roller is a quick fix for daily skincare struggles, boosting radiance and tightening pores, as well as a longer term investment for improving elasticity and fine lines. Perfect for easing stress at the end of a day, or reducing puffiness in the morning. Well, that's always handy, that's something I need. Simply roll your tool across your forehead and under your cheekbones and jaw for a fast track to flawless skin. Our top tip, keep your roller in the fridge and use it over a sheet mask for an extra soothing feel. Well, okay. That's something new for me to try, isn't it? Right, and worth £15.50. That's not bad in a box that's cost me £14, including the P&P. We've got the value there straight away, so that's always all right. And the next item in the box even is an OK. I know this is a Korean make, and it's a bubble sheet mask. Exfoliate and Cleanse. Happiness Every Day. Let's just have a quick look. Yeah, I'm just trying to see if it says anything else. No, it doesn't. And this is worth £4. So again, between these two items, you've got the value of the box. So let's have a look. Let's have a look. I'll also show you this. This is in the bottom. It's a voucher code for 20% off New Look. And I'll spin it around and you can see the code there if you want to use it. Pause the video and write that down. There we go. So, little recap. Okay, we've got the liquid highlighter. We've got the travel size mascara. We've got the travel size or deluxe mini size body lotion. We've got the sheet mask. And we've got the Jade Roller. How do I feel about this box? Well, I mean, it's not bad. There's some different things in there. I'm certainly excited to try the roller, and I'm pleased that's in there. And I've not had to go out and buy it because I was umming and ahhing about it. And they are quite expensive, so I'm pleased that's in there. Another type of sheet mask to try. Again, my little drawer with my sheet masks is building up because we seem to get one in most subscription boxes. So when you're getting a few, that might be something to consider. Body lotion is always handy to have. And the fact that that is dermatologically tested means that hopefully, you know, I shouldn't have a skin reaction to it. So again, that'll be handy to go in my little travel. I have a toiletry bag, sorry, because I do go away for weekends and away fairly regularly. So that'll be handy to have in there. The liquid highlighter, it looks lovely. I have tried liquid highlighters before. My personal preference is to stick with the powder ones. I just find the liquid ones tend to take your powder foundation or your base makeup off with them when you're buffing them out. So personally, I prefer to stick to powders. So that might just go in the giveaway box. But this certainly won't. This is the Ico London Mascara. Like I say, I was thinking of picking this up yesterday. So again, I'm really pleased that's in there. For me personally, I think this is an okay box. It's not blowing me away. It's not a wow box, but it's an interesting box. Anyway, that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching as always. Please do let me know what you think about this box in the comment section down below. Remember to make sure you're subscribed and you've got your notification bells on. I will see you all in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.